Hello, greetings to you, my dear students. Today we are going to see one very interesting topic, my dear students, from JEE Basic Mathematics, and which is Algebraic Identities 1, my dear students. This one is very important. In JEE, they have asked plenty of questions, my dear students, from this topic, and this is going to be a series, my dear students, and this one is not going to be that much tougher. So slowly I'll start solving so many JEE level problems, my dear students. Okay, now let's start the video, my dear students. So a plus b the whole square, these things you know, my dear students. These are like the general algebraic identities. So I hope you are aware of this. By solving, I'll explain you each and everything, my dear students. Let's go into the problem. So it's a JEE Mains 2021 problem, my dear students. Let P and Q be two positive numbers such that P plus Q is equals to 2, and they have said P power 4 plus Q power 4 to 72. Then P and Q are roots of the equation. They said P and Q are the roots of the equation, my dear students, and we have to find the equations. So how we can find the equation, my dear students? This is the quadratic equation. Application is there, my dear students. You have to understand. So to find the quadratic equation from the roots, we have the formula x square minus sum of the roots x plus product of the roots, my dear students. So by this we can form the equation, right, my dear students? Here the sum of the equation is what, my dear students? They have said P and Q are the roots of the equation. So minus P plus Q into X plus P into Q. So already they have given P plus Q, my dear students. So x square minus P plus Q, which is going to be 2x plus PQ, my dear students. So we have solved the we have get the half of the equation, right? Half of the equation we got it, my dear students. Only if we know the product of the roots, we will get the answer. But here, by this x square minus 2x, whether can we find the answer, my dear students? No. For everything, JEE Mains, right? They have given x square minus 2x minus 2x minus 2x. Now we have to find the product, my dear students. Let's find it, my dear students. So how we can find it, my dear students? They have given P plus Q, P power 4 plus Q power 4 is equals to 272. Let's find it, my dear students. P plus Q is equals to 2. Now what I am going to do is, my dear students, I am going to do the product of the, squaring on both sides, my dear students. So P plus Q the whole square is equals to 2 square. So which I'll get is P square plus Q square plus 2PQ is equals to 4, my dear students. So here P power 4 plus Q power 4 they have given in separate term, my dear students. So what I am going to do is I am going to take this plus 2PQ into that side, my dear students. So P square plus Q square is equals to 4 minus 2PQ. Okay, my dear students. Still now you are very clear, right, my dear students? Next, what we are going to do is we are going to squaring on both sides, my dear students, which is in next slide I write, my dear students, P square plus Q square the whole square is equals to 4 minus 2PQ the whole square. Okay, my dear students. Next, what we are going to do, my dear students? This thing. So P power 4 plus Q power 4 plus 2 into P square Q square, my dear students. Same logic here, my dear students. 16 A square plus B square, my dear students, which is 4 P square Q square, then minus 2AB. So 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16, my dear students. 16PQ. Okay, my dear students. Now what we are going to do, right, my dear students? I am going to bring this LHS to the RHS side, my dear students. So what I'll get, my dear students? Minus of P power 4 plus Q power 4 minus 2P square Q square plus 16 plus 4P square Q square minus 16PQ. which is going to be equals to 0, my dear students. Already we have found p power 4 plus q power 4, they have given, my dear students, 272. So the answer is minus 272 minus, now we have to do this, my dear students, plus 2 p square q square, my dear students. P square q square, then my dear students, here plus 16 is here and minus 16 pq is here, my dear students. Okay, is equals to 0. Now what else we can do, my dear students? We can subtract this part. So 2p square q square plus 16 minus 272, what will be the answer, my dear students? Minus 256. Right only, no, my dear students. Before that, let me bring this minus 16 pq minus 256 is equals to 0, my dear students. So 2p square q square minus 16 pq minus 256 is equals to 0. Still now have you understood, my dear students? Your understanding matters a lot. Okay, so 2 into p square q square, this one we got. Now we have, if we solve this one, we will get the answer for this question, my dear students. So now what I am going to do, my dear students, now let me divide 2 on both sides, my dear students, so that every 2 will be removed from here. So I will get p square q square minus 8pq minus 128, my dear students, is equals to 0. Okay, now what I am going to assume is that, my dear students, let pq is equals to x, my dear students, because this pq is irritating me. Once if I take pq into x, my dear students, that function will become very easier. That's what I used to say, right, my dear students? When you are solving the problem, be lazy, make yourself comfortable. That matters a lot, my dear students. Okay, so here p square q square, I can also write it like this, pq the whole square. So here I will get x square, my dear students, minus 8x minus 128, my dear students, equals to 0. So what is the answer, my dear students? So minus 128. If I solve, I have to get minus 8. So what will be the answer, my dear students? So 8 16s are is 128, my dear students. 69s are 144. So 8 16s are, I'll get 128. So if we do product, I have to get minus, and if I do sum, then also I have to get the negative as output, my dear students. So minus 16 plus 8. So what I'll get? X plus 8 into x minus 16 is equals to 0. So the x value is going to be minus 8 and 16, my dear students. So already I have taken PQ as x, my dear students. They have said P and Q are two positive real numbers only, positive numbers. Here for x, I can remove this minus 8, my dear students. Only I can take this 16. So in place of x, I can write PQ because that's the original value. For my convenient, in let only I have taken. So whenever you are taking on your own, please write it let, my dear students. In competitive exam, no problem. The final answer matters a lot, my dear students. For your board exam, I am saying. Okay, PQ is equals to 16. So the product of the root is 16, my dear students. So our answer is going to be D. Here, okay, I have erased that part. So x square minus 2x plus 16. So option D is the correct answer, my dear students. Likewise, from algebraic identities, there are so many problems, my dear students, which are interesting, as well as some difficult questions are there. In recent times, they have asked, see, in 2021, in 2023 also they have asked one very good question, my dear students. They are making the tougher parts. They are taking the questions from the easier chapters, but they are giving the question as the very toughest one. So you have to be ready, my dear students. Before I used to say from basic mathematics you will get very less number of questions, but nowadays they are asking some questions from there, but the difficulty is so good. Okay, my dear students, I hope you have understood how to solve this problem, how to approach this problem, everything. If you have any suggestion, please comment it down, my dear students. Bye bye. Thank you.